In this video, we are going to discuss about the operator in JavaScript. I'm going to paste some code here, and if I want to write the JavaScript code, then I must have to use the script tag here. I'm pasting this code here, and you can see here operator definition. An operator is a special symbol used to perform operation on operands. And also we have to understand the operator, operands, and then the expression. If we see here in one example, this x, this a, and this 5 is the operands, and this equal to and plus is the operator. And if you see the whole things at once, that is x equal to a plus 5, this is the expression. It means that operation is a special symbol. You can see here this equal to, this is the assignment operator, we'll talk it later, and this plus, this is the addition operator, and this is inside the arithmetic operator. And also, if you see again the definition here, an operator is a special symbol used to perform operations on operands. Operands means it could be a variable name or the value. And we just have to understand about the operator, operands, and then the expression, right? Now we have talked about the we have talked about the operator, operands, and the expression. At first, let's talk about the arithmetic operator, and also we'll talk about the assignment operator, logical operator, comparison operator, conditional operator, and also the string operator. And there is another one that is bitwise operation, bitwise operator that is especially used for the binary representation, and that is not many useful operator if you compare to this operator, right? So first of all, let's copy this arithmetic operator at first, and I'm gonna paste this arithmetic operator here, and I'm gonna write some important things here, right? I'm using the var keyword here, but I've already talked about the var, let, and the const keyword. I'm writing here a equal to 5 and b equals to 6. And if I want to write here, if I want to display some message onto the screen, then I can write here the document.write. And if I type here the a plus, right? Okay, before writing this plus operator or minus operator, inside this arithmetic operator, we have the simple mathematics, basic mathematics operator like the plus, minus, multiplication, and also the division, right? Division. And also we have the increment operator, and inside the increment operator, we have the post increment and then the pre-increment. And also we have the decrement operator, that is the post decrement and then the pre-decrement. Okay, now if you see here, simple the plus operator, and if you want to see the output, then just stop the port from here and again click on the go live options from here. Now I got the 11 as the output here, and this is the addition operator. And if I want to change addition into the subtraction, then I got the -1. And also if I want to change into a multiplication b, then I got the 30 values here, right? Likewise, if I want to use the divide operator, a divide b, if I give here the 10, and if I give here the 5, and 10 divided by 5, that is 2, right? And if I want to use the modulo operator, and if I type here the 11, and if I use here the a remainder b, then I got the 1 as remainder. 5 to the 10, and remainder is 1, right? Okay, and if you talk about the increment operator, then if I remove this b from here, and if I type here the a plus plus, this is the post increment operator, and if I go here, and I got the 11 again here, it means it doesn't increase here. But if I want to print this value again from here, and if I again print the value of a, right? And if I go to here, now I got the 12. But if I need a break line here, then I can use here the break line keyword, quotation, and then the br, right? If I use the br tag, and if I go to here, now I got the 11 and then the 12, right? If you see here again here, a plus plus, this is the post increment operator. I have the initial value, a has the 11, and this post increment operator increase the value of a into the 12. It means first of all it will print the 11, and then after printing the value of a, it will increase the value of a by 1. And if I again print the value of a, then I got 12 here in second if I print the document.write line in second time. Okay, This is all about the document dot. Okay, this is all about the increment operator. It means especially post increment operator. But if I use the pre increment operator, then plus plus a, right? And if I go to here, now I got the 12. It means before printing the value of a, it will increase the value of a by 1 and then it will print. Okay, if I use the pre increment, and if I again print the value of a, then it will already increased while printing the first time. So okay, if we talk about the decrement operator, we have the post decrement and the pre decrement. If I use the minus minus, this is the post decrement operator. And if I go to here, now at first I got the 11 and after that only I got the value of 10. So it means if I change the a minus minus into the minus minus a, then now I got the 10 and then the 10. It means before printing the value of a, it will decrease the value of a by 1. It means I got the 10. And again, if I print the value of a, then again I got the 10 value. Okay. This is all about the post increment, post decrement, pre increment, and then the pre decrement operator. Okay, let's see the second operator, that is assignment operator. Now let's discuss about the assignment operator in the second part. So inside this assignment operator, if I type here again prepare a equal to 5, then this is actually the assignment operator. And we have used assignment operator from the past time also. So if you see here, this 5 is a value, and if I use the variable name as a, it means I'm assigning the value of 5 into the a variable. It means this is simply the assignment operator. Or if I type here the var b equal to c, then the value of c I'm assigning into the variable b. This is the assignment operator. Likewise, if I want to print the value of anything here, like the documents or right, and if I type the a, now I got the 5 value here, right? So if you see the var a equal to 5, okay, and if I go to the browser, I'm not getting the value of u. Why? Value of document dot right. Okay. If I stop this port from here, and if I again go into the go live options from here, and this is not showing anything here. If we go to the inspect and then the console, now c is not defined here. Okay, c is not defined here. I cannot use this var b equal to c. And if I go to the browser, now I get the value of a as 5. Okay, this is all about the assignment operator. I think you understand well about it. If you get any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. Assignment operator means we are assigning the value into the variable, right? After that, we'll talk about the logical operator. So what is logical operator? We'll see this is in detail. Okay, I'm putting this inside the comment section. And if you talk about the logical operator, we have the logical and, logical or, and then the logical not. Okay, if I type here the document dot write, and if we type here the 2 equal to 2, and if I use here, we have the logical and, it means and we have to use the 2 times and, right? And 3 equal to 3. Okay, and if I go to the browser, now I got the value as so. It means first of all, you can see here 2 equal to 2. This double equal to is not an assignment operator. This is actually a comparison operator. So we'll discuss about it later. And 3 equal to 3. This is also the comparison operator. And the first condition is true. And also the second condition is true. Then it will return the true result. If one of this condition is false, then it will return the false condition, right? If I'm writing 2 equal to 3, and if I go to the browser, now it shows me the false result here. Likewise, this is all about the logical AND operator. It must have the 2 condition true. But if I write here the OR, it means logical OR. This symbol you can get at the just top of the enter. And if I go to the browser, now it shows me the true. But this one condition is false here. It means that if any condition is true, then it will return the true in the OR condition. So you have already talked about, you have already listened and you have already practiced. This is in the mathematics, and this is the same things what you have learned in the mathematics, right? So after that, if I talked about the logical NOT operator, it means it will, if I use the exclamatory marks here, this is the not logical NOT operator, right? If I use the NOT operator, and if I go to here, now again it shows me the true. But if I use here the AND operator from here, that's okay. And if I go to here, this shows me the false. Not 2 equal to 3, and the 3 equal to 3. So if I want to remove this all things from here and not equal to 3, if I using this symbol, this shows me the false. But if I put this inside the brushes, and if I go to here, now this shows me the true. It means 2 equal to 3 is 2 is not equal to 3, and this condition returns true value. But if I type here equal to 2, this shows me the false value. In this way, you can use the logical operator. Inside the logical operator, you can use the logical AND, logical OR, and the logical NOT, right? After that, let's talk about the comparison operator. So I'm copy pasting this code from here, and I'm just putting this down here. And after that, I'm putting inside this comment section. After that, if we talk about the comparison operator, inside the comparison operator, we have the less than symbol, and also the greater than symbol, and also the greater or equal to symbol, lesser equal to symbol, and then the not equal to symbol, and also equal to symbol, and also triple equal to symbol, and not equal to symbol, right? This is all about the comparison operator. You can also call comparison operator as the relation operator, right? So, okay, at first, if I type here the document dot write, and if I use here the again var keyword here, var a equal to 4, b equal to 6, and if I type here if the a equal to if a is okay. First of all, let's talk about the a less than b. A is 4 and b is 6, and if I'm comparing the a and b, this condition is true. And you can see here, this returns the true values. And if we talk about the greater than value, it means a is greater than b. This is not true, so it means it returns the false. Likewise, greater or equal to, this is not true, so it returns the false. And if I use the less or equal to, and if I go to the browser, now it shows the true condition because a is less than b. It means 4 is less than 6. Likewise, not equal to. If I use the not equal to value from here, now this is also true because 4 and 6 is not equal to. Okay. If I use equal to, this is false because 4 and 6 is not equal. And if I use the triple equal to, this means the data and the value must be same. Not only this value, but also their data types is also must be same, right? And if I use the not equal to, this is opposite to the equal to, triple equal to symbol. Okay. Now we have talked about the comparison operator in JavaScript. If you get any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. After discussing about the comparison operator, let's talk about the conditional operator. Conditional operator is also known as the ternary operator. So if I type here the document dot write, and okay, document dot write, or I can make here the another variable var value equal to, I'm writing here the 2 is greater than, okay, if this condition is true, I'm writing here the question mark. If this condition is true, then I can return here the true. I can write here the true. And if this condition is false, it will return the false. Okay, if I'm printing the value document dot write, if I'm printing the value, then you can see this condition is false because 2 is not greater than 3. But if I change 20 is greater than 3, then it shows me the true options. So this is all about the conditional operator. This is also known as the ternary operator. After that, if we talk about the string operator, so just copy this code from here and just go down and just use the string operator. So if I use the var, okay, var, and then the name equal to okay, ram, and if you want to concatenate this string, then you can simply use document dot write, and if I use here the name and then the plus, and you share the clear car key, right? And if you go to here, now I got the ram car key. It means plus symbol is not only for the addition of the two numbers, this is also for the concatenation between the two string. So name, this is also string, and this car key, this is also string, and this here, this plus is the concatenate operator. It means that concatenating between the two string. So this is all about the string operator, right? So in this video, we have talked about the arithmetic operator, assignment operator, logical operator, comparison operator, conditional operator, string operator. So if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so very much.